Did you know that chronic inflammation is linked to more than 50% of all major diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis? The good news is that there's a simple, natural way to fight back: cabbage. This underrated vegetable may be one of the best foods for combating inflammation. Cabbage is often overlooked in favor of trendier superfoods, but it has been a dietary staple for centuries and for good reason. Packed with nutrients and anti-inflammatory properties, cabbage is a powerhouse that can help improve your health in surprising ways. In this video, we'll explore how cabbage fights inflammation, its nutritional benefits, and what science has to say about its effectiveness. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to protect your health, cabbage might just be the solution. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues. Chronic inflammation has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. Many of the foods common in modern diets, such as processed snacks, sugary drinks, and fried meals, contribute to inflammation rather than reducing it. This can lead to a cycle of fatigue, joint pain, and long-term health problems. While medications are available to manage inflammation, they often come with side effects. That's why incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet is such a valuable, natural approach. Cabbage stands out as a particularly effective option for combating inflammation and supporting overall health. Cabbage offers a unique combination of nutrients and compounds that make it an excellent anti-inflammatory food. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and bioactive substances that help fight inflammation and promote better health. Cabbage contains anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants found in red and purple cabbage varieties. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to inflammation. It is also packed with vitamin C, which supports the immune system and aids in repairing tissues, making it essential for combating inflammatory conditions. One of the most powerful compounds in cabbage is sulforaphane, a sulfur-rich chemical that has been shown to block pathways that lead to inflammation. Studies have linked sulforaphane to reduced inflammation in conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Cabbage is also an excellent source of fiber, which plays a key role in gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is closely linked to lower inflammation levels, as it helps regulate the immune system. Whether eaten raw in salads, fermented as kimchi or sauerkraut, or cooked in soups and stir-fries, cabbage is versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Each preparation method offers unique benefits, making it a valuable addition to meals for anyone looking to reduce inflammation naturally. Recent research has uncovered compelling evidence supporting cabbage's role as an anti-inflammatory food. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed cruciferous vegetables, including cabbage, had lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood. Another study highlighted the benefits of fermented cabbage, such as sauerkraut and kimchi. Fermentation enhances cabbage's nutrient profile and introduces probiotics, which support gut health and reduce inflammation even further. Experts have also pointed out that sulforaphane, found in cabbage, can protect cartilage and reduce joint inflammation, making it especially helpful for individuals with arthritis or other joint conditions. These findings reinforce the idea that cabbage isn't just a simple side dish, it's a functional food with powerful health benefits. To summarize, chronic inflammation is a major health issue, but cabbage offers a simple and effective way to combat it. With its rich blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds, cabbage is an affordable and versatile food that can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. By incorporating cabbage into your diet, whether raw, cooked, or fermented, you can take a natural step toward protecting your body from the harmful effects of inflammation. Have you tried incorporating cabbage into your meals? Share your favorite recipes and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos on simple ways to improve your health through everyday foods. Together, let's make healthy living accessible and delicious.